All right, if you've got one of these eGo lawnmowers, self-propelled, and the self-propelled portion is erratic or stops working, there's one video out there where it says you should flip it upside down and give this motor a couple of taps with a screwdriver, and that fixes the issue, but that's temporary. Here's the permanent fix. Mine did the same thing. I took the top cover off, checked the wiring, everything was fine. But I went in here and there's these little fan blades on the motor. And when I pushed on them, it turned really hard. So I went in here and I gave these a push. And it pushed really hard, and then all of a sudden it turned a little easier. I hit the lever and a whole bunch of crap came out of here. So I did it as I laid a hammer on top of the lever there so it would run, and I took air, compressed air, and blew these out real good. And now she runs like a charm, as you can see. So what happens here is this little cooling fan, especially in fall when you're chopping up leaves, this whole area here was just chock full of spider webs and debris. And these little guys here, they suck in a bunch of crap and it plugs the motor up. So just cleaning it out once a year is probably a good idea. Just flip it upside down and run it like I just did while you're spraying compressed air in there, and clean her out, and you're good to go. So I saved myself buying a new motor, because I did check the voltage on the motors, and it was 12 volts going to the motor, so I knew the motor was the problem. And I'll show you how I did that too. Okay, so here's the two wires, and you see I peeled away. There's two black wire, a black wire and a red wire that go into this hole here. And I just peeled away a little bit of the insulation and stuck a meter on there while my wife hits the switch, and it showed 12 volts going there. So you want to check those two wires first, and as you can see here, they're just two wires that go into this little pocket here. The motor's right down below it, so pretty hard to miss that. But check that first, and to get the cover off, there's six Phillips screws, and the thing comes off kind of hard, but I pulled it right off of there. So I'm going to actually, this was completely full also. So I'm going to blow this out at least every season or maybe twice a season, just to keep this thing in running order. So hope that helps you guys out.